Hello, welcome into this moment. Welcome to you, wherever you are, whatever you feel right here, right now, whatever is your impulse, whatever was your intention to join me here, welcome. And whatever is your intention right here, right now, welcome. I'm gonna start with a few seconds of silence just to feel more deeply what we feel right here, right now, you and I, where we are and what we want. Hmm. I am exhausted. I felt tired right here, right now, so I need rest. And I'm going to lie down for a few minutes before my next appointment at 5 p.m. in 19 minutes. I'm wondering if there's something else I want to tell you. I think the topic I wanted to to explore with you is the topic of raising receptivity to what's desired. Raising our receptivity to allow more what's desired. Um, Today I said yes. I said yes. I allowed a change of plan to follow something that felt more appealing to me. That's something I had scheduled initially, and this morning, and I'm really pleased I did. It was very rich, very structured, and also very welcoming in terms of where we are. I mean, I'm talking about the participants of this workshop. I was at. Um, I learned a lot about. I mean, it's not. I don't know if it's a learning or just a kind of a shaping and more clearly allowing even more clarity. Yeah, allowing even more clarity around what's possible. So there was some kind of shaping and collective shaping and acknowledgement of intentions and desires and resources and skills and possibilities. So there was some kind of a bursing and yeah, more larger an enlargement of the fields of possibilities. And I'm wondering what is it I would like to say about it, what I learned, what I co-created, what I discovered. Yeah, there was a question that has been explored, which was um, how much do I show my own power? How much do you show? How much do we show our own power? If you evaluate from 0 to 10, 10 being the optimum, showing your own full power, and 0 showing nothing, what number would you say? And what does it tell about? For example, for me, I said I was at a 6, and the question that I've been asked by Romain was so, what if you would summarize in one sentence the four missing points to go to a 10? What would you say? And what came up was that I I think I'm not making enough clear proposals connected to money. And I said that, and then this few seconds later, I went into some kind of thinking process that kind of invalidated my answer, and as I'm talking about it right here, right now, I'm realizing that actually that makes sense. It makes sense when I said it. Then I doubted it, and now I'm. It makes sense again. And so I'm thinking of what kind of proposal I could make, or what commitment I could take that would help me get closer to showing more fully my own power, share more generously what I would love and want to share with the world that would serve what the world wants. If I continue like this, I don't know if I will have time to rest before my appointment. So I may. I think I'd like to finish up in a couple of minutes. So yeah, I think I want to. Um, I was going to say I want to accept that I don't have the resources to say more, to make a clear proposal. Um, I guess there's something I can ask that would be a very small step, which is say yes in a comment if you feel that sometimes there is inner conflict within yourself and that there is moments where there is chaos and a part of you that thinks you should be more organized, more ordered, and say yes in the comments if you think that, if you experience that sometimes there is kind of paradoxical things going on in you and it's not always clear. Say yes in the comments if I'm getting tired. Hi, welcome to the video. I'm about to finish it. Okay, I'm gonna give an example of my life. Right now, I'm feeling exhausted. I want to get some rest, and there's kind of a conflict between this part of me that wants to make sense and create something that is valuable for me, for you, and also there's this other part of me that just is discouraged that I'm going to find a way to make meaning and create value, and just want to give up and go to bed and lie down. And so sometimes we have those kind of complex different parts of ourselves that are not exactly listening to each other but talking sometimes at the same time. And what I'm interested in offering is spaces where we can welcome the complexity of who we are and listen to one part of us at a time, to support dialogue and to support mutual understanding within the different parts of ourselves. And that, in my experience, support connecting more clearly with others, with our lives, with the world, with how we want to engage, how we want to share and show our own power, whether either personally, professionally, even in business. So if you're interested in kind of really having a conversation that would support you showing your power more fully and more clearly, uh, let me know. I'd love to. So say yes in the comment, and we can talk later if you want. Bye for now.